Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the S sound. Can you make the S sound? Follow these steps. First, open your lips just a little bit. Next, put your teeth together, like this. Then, slowly push some air out through your teeth and make a soft hissing noise. Let's try that together. Are you ready? S. S. Now let's practice a few words with the S sound. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Snake, bicycle, dress, face, horse. The S sound can be spelled with the letter S as in snake, C as in bicycle, SS as in dress, CE as in face, or SE as in horse. Well done! Great job! Ellii.